Howdy y'all. So I just made it back from the New Mexico Whiskey Classic, which was awesome. It was like being on set for HBO's Westworld, but you get to enjoy whiskey and cigars and all the awesome food that was there too. My friend Chris from Lights Camera Kitchen actually put on some cooking demonstrations that I got to help him with. So I'm going to include that recipe for a whiskey barbecue rub, which is pretty great on any meat. I'm also going to show you how to make one of my favorite cocktails, which is a toasted marshmallow cocktail. And you actually use a smoker to smoke the drink. It's pretty cool. Another awesome thing is this week is actually Old Fashioned Week. So this is a twist on an old fashioned. Today guys, I'm going to teach you how to make a toasted marshmallow cocktail using your favorite whiskey or bourbon. So you take an ounce of your favorite whiskey or bourbon, pour that in your glass. A half ounce of triple sec, pour that in. A half ounce of simple syrup, get that in there. Swirl that around a little bit. And now for the best part, you take your wood chips and your smoker that you can get on Amazon. Pour those right in the top there. Lighter. Turn it on. Out comes the smoke. And you just put it in the glass there. Then if you want to get it really smoky, you take something to cover over the top. Switch your smoker off. Let that sit for about a minute.
We're coming out! We're coming out! Shoot!
We'll call that a minute. And voila! There you go. Toasted marshmallow cocktail. Follow along because next week I will be in Charleston, South Carolina, and that should be pretty awesome and historical. I'll see you here next time.